guys, so it's about 2 a.m. in the morning, and I've been working since 5 a.m. yesterday, but it's the very next day now, and I'm still working. But I mean, I just finished off some work, had some projects to complete, and I have some plans in order to get where I want to be in near future. So let's see how it goes. And I just wanted to remind you guys that you guys need to pray in order to succeed. I think you need to pray in order to succeed. You need to pray, you need to ask God for strength in order to, complete your goals. Ask God to give you courage in order to execute your plans, okay, in order to succeed. And that's how you'll do it. I think God is everything. God is the message. I just finished up some work, and I was like, maybe I should make a video because I wasn't getting sleep anyways. It was past my bedtime. I usually sleep around 1 or 2 maybe sometimes, but I wasn't getting any sleep. So yeah, I was just thought if I should make a video. I mean, why not? If it motivates even one person, I mean, whoever's watching this video, I'm not sure, maybe 1, 2, 3, whoever, if you guys are feeling motivated from this video, then my job is done. My job is just to help people around and make sure that people get the message. And I feel like God is great, and you guys need to work on yourself through God and ask God for courage, strength. Just don't ask him to give you Lambos and shit. That's just not possible, and it's just way too greedy, to be honest. That's not how God functions. You need to pray, you need to give your time for God. You need to respect your parents, your sister, your brother, whoever, siblings, cousins, relatives, and you'll get there eventually. Just need to work hard. I mean, you need to work hard. That's something that you have to do in order to achieve whatever you want. And I just want you guys to have the best future that there is. I'm having a lot of dark circles, but that's totally worth it, to be honest, for the work I'm doing and the money that I'm getting paid from the work I'm doing. Yeah, so I think it's totally worth it. I mean, in time it will go, because I'm stressing a lot, plus I'm working a lot. Once again, I just wanted to remind you guys, in case you forgot, you just need to pray. You just need to pray, and eventually you get what you want, what you always wanted. I can see my goals and my dreams coming true. I mean, and that is through God. There is no one else who can take credit for it except me and God. I mean, I only worked hard and I prayed 24/7. I know in my heart that I will achieve what I want, and that is how it is. If I compare myself to 2023, then I feel like I'm in a very good place right now, because everything that has happened in 2024 and 2025 by far is the best thing that could happen to me, to be honest. Before that, everything is forgotten, past is past. I just had to move forward. Even you guys, you need to move forward. You can't stay in one place again and again, and you can't repeat the history. You need to move forward, conquer different shits. You need to do it no matter what. Otherwise you will always be behind, and you will lack discipline, you will lack courage. You will always stay behind, man. You just need to move forward. Alright guys, I think it's time for me to go and sleep, because it's getting too late. It's around 2:45. Yep, it's around 2:45. Just check. And yup, I need to go home. I mean, it's literally down, but yeah, I'll go inside and go sleep. And yup, see you in the next video. Hopefully you guys make it, and see you guys.